Hello guys, welcome today. In this video, discussion about the database assignment. This question set 2. Let's see how to given the practical answer. We have been given the scenario. The board of director of Sandun Productions has detected to included all of their company information into a computer software. The software was commissioned by Tilina Gayatra. So you are the scenario software engineering of software development company, and your team has been to assigned to create the database. Create the database need to create the information in this software. So for the Sandun production company, the director board to computer software company information is thought to use the software created the given Tilina Gayatra of company. You're working in this company, connect your team and create the database. Question 1. Use Sandun product DB for the name of the database. I open the my HeidiSQL, select my connection. I create the database Sandun production DB. Okay, the created TV Sandun production database is the create. This one, this first question is the complete. Question 2. Create a table called employee to store employee information. Follow the instructions below to create the table name. This one, column names and data type and length we are giving. So I'm created the Sandun production DB select. I right click here, create the table name employee. We are giving no comment. Column first column name m dash registration number, data types vacha and length 10. New column first name dash name, data type vacha, the length 45, and add last name vacha, length 45. Second gender, add vacha, length 10. Okay, the add contact number dash number WhatsApp 10. So okay, I have all the columns add. Now create my employee table. Save to see that this my table I create. This all the columns add my table. The all table create. Second question complete. We are going to third question. Create a table name product to store product information. Follow the instruction below to create the table name product and column name, data types and length we are giving here. Now I'm going to my HeidiSQL, my Southern production DB. Create another table, the product. Okay, name add. We are add now first column, product ID, and data type is vata. Length 10 and second column product dash name, this one 45 length. Okay, third last column brand, last column brand vacha, data type 45 length. Okay, create the second Southern production DB in here, second database. Okay, product table. Okay, we have this one, the Southern production DB for two employee product and the table, two table creator. We have now given the data add. So that question complete. Now question 4. What are the steps you can take to stop data repeat in the product table the below? Answer. The problem in this question 4 is the brand data in this table is the overwriting. See the solution. This is a problem. The solution we have write in another table band name and ID used to this table connection create. I completed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Do you have any question? Comment down below. See you soon.